track, okay, because they will make you follow their steps. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a huge round of applause, Shama Kava Dance Troupe on the stage.
You have to say hi really loudly. So let me hear everyone say hi really loudly. Come on. You are all sleeping. Are you tired? Oh, so let me hear you loudly say hi. Come on. Wow. And now can you raise your hands and say hi loudly? Oh my God. Now can you stand up and say hi? Everybody, can you all stand up? No, come on, come on. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Wow. Very nice. Now we're going to teach you 2 steps and you have to learn it up. Yes or no? Yes. Great. Very good. Now everyone put your hands up. These are called jazz hands. What are they called? Jazz. Very good. So now watch what you're going to do. You're going to go right, left, right, left. Okay? So watch again. Right, left, down, down. So 2 times up and 2 times down. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Very nice. Now all you're going to do is punch up, up, and alright, let's try. 5, 6, 7. Go up and up and down. So now from the beginning, watch it. You're going to do up, up, down and down, up and down and punch and punch, punch and punch, up, down and down. Can we try? 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go up and down, up and down and punch and punch, punch and punch, up and down and down. Now, can everyone say hey loudly? Hey! Loudly. Hey! Okay, so everyone music. अच्छा, आप फिर से सो गए. So now I want to hear everyone with their hands up and everyone shouting. Okay, come on, let's try. Ready, 5, 6, 1, let's go. Shout out! Shout up, one more time. Very good, and shout up, 6, 7, very good. Okay, now we're all going to dance for you and we hope you have fun. Alright? And shout and enjoy. Yes or no?
Alright, great. Okay, so that's it. Wait, सब लोग खड़े रहेंगे. खड़े. अरे कोई बात नहीं. अभी इन्होंने डांस कराया. We'll do something again. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. इतना बड़ा पहाड़. You have to say this also. Okay. इतना बड़ा पहाड़. पहाड़ में पेड़. पेड़ में घोंसला. घोंसले में चिड़िया. और चारों तरफ हरियाली 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 हरियाली. ग्रेट, अब बैठ जाओ. लेट्स गो फॉर द परफॉर्मेंस. अभी म्यूजिक पर जा रहा हूँ.
ले लो उसे अपने संगी
everybody. So बचेंगे जोर से शोर मचाएंगे. Come on. Great. You guys all did an awesome job. Zoe Sunita Sharma on the stage, founder and director of Patanjali Foundation. With a huge round of applause. Come on. और इनके साथ में आना चाहूँगा हंस फाउंडेशन से श्वेता जी को. Can we have you at the stage, ma'am? Without both of you people, this even being possible. All right, now Anita, over to you.
Thank you, students. Thank you so much for being such good audience. I really say thanks a lot. Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. So now you don't have to forget how these kids can really go ahead and do so much in life. Please support them. They need your support. Please make people aware of autism. One last thing. I want to thank one very important person who has helped me so much for last 2 months and also throughout my journey handling my kids is my husband Vijay Sharma. Vijay, can you come on the stage? 2 months he's been taking up my kids, taking care of my kids in US, cooking the food, cleaning the vessels, doing everything. Thank you so much, Vijay. Yes, and he was so supportive in the cause. Thank you so much. Shweta, thank you so much for sponsoring the work, and I hope we do it all the time in all states of India, everywhere in India, and make people aware of the cause, and we get such good audience, such good students who are so cooperative. Thank you so much, and I give the mic to Shweta.
I'm not going to take too much time now because I know you all are tired. Thank you very much for coming today. I want to thank Shamak Davar's dance team for pepping everybody up and infusing us with a second life. This walk was for awareness, and I know you all had a good afternoon, but when you go away from here, please don't forget, if you see a child with autism, your responsibility now is not to ignore him or her, but you have to accept them, try to understand them, and you have to live with them. So it's better that we live together and we love each other. And I'm focusing only on you kids because you are the citizens of tomorrow, and this is your responsibility. If you have a brother or sister with a disability, you have to take care of them. You have to try and get them the best intervention. It is not anybody else's responsibility, it's yours now. And after this walk, you can't say you don't know. You know very well, and I hope you really respect what you learned today and you take care of it. Have a good evening. Thank you.
One last thing, Kruti, I want you to come on the stage from Shamak Davar Academy. Kruti has been so supportive. She's been meeting me every day and giving me updates, and she brought the kids who did Tare Zameen Par. Thank you so much, Kruti. Thank you. Bye-bye, thank you so much, and you take care, and I hope you all felt very happy coming here. Thank you.
Thank you so much everyone. I would like to request all the teachers, all the parents to please take care of their children. Please इनको ध्यान से लेके जाएं to their buses. And बच्चों से request है please आराम से line में जाएं. Thank you everybody. Let's have 3 cheers for today. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you very much. This is your host Sahil Bajaj signing off. Thank you.